first example, we're going to be examining position versus time graph and how to figure out the displacement and average velocity. In this case, from the time interval from 0 seconds to 60 seconds. So to find the displacement, we're going to look at the initial position, which is positive 40, and the final position, which is positive 10. So to figure out the displacement, or your change in position, you're going to have your final position minus your initial position. All right, that would be 10 meters minus 40 meters, and your answer here would be negative 30 meters. Now, if we're looking for the average velocity is defined as your displacement, your change in position, divided by the change in time. All right, so in this case, it is going to be negative 30 meters over 60 seconds, or a negative 0.5 meters per second.